Welcome to the class. Today we are going to start a new chapter in social science, chapter number 13. The name of the chapter is Transport and Communication. Now we are going to see some points in this chapter in this class, okay, and these are the points. First, we are going to study about introduction, okay. Second, we are going to see infrastructure. Third, kinds of infrastructure. Okay, then fourth, we can say that relation between transport and communication. Fifth, we are going to see transport. And sixth, importance of transport. Now see, we are going to see these different points in this class. First of all, we will start with introduction, okay. As you know that we have different things around us. We use different things and goods in our daily life. You know that we use different type of goods, like we can say that food, okay, then table, material, clothes, so many goods we use, okay. Now you know that some goods are available near around us, but you know that some goods we have to get from far away, and it is not possible, okay, without transport. When we want some goods from far away, we need a means of transport. With the help of means of transport, we can get that goods, okay, those goods, okay. Now you know that when there was an economic reform, namely liberalization, took place in the year 1991. In the year 1991, liberalization took place. There was the rapid development, okay, there was the rapid development in the industrial development. We can say that in the industrial sector, rapid development बहुत ज़्यादा होने लग गया, जल्दी जल्दी development होने लग गया, and due to this, you know that there is the rapid development took place in the transportation. जल्दी जल्दी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन काफ़ी ज़्यादा होने लग गया, ठीक है, क्योंकि इंडस्ट्रियल गुड्स जो है, इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट होने की वजह से ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा वृद्धि हुई, ओके. और इसकी वजह से ड्यू टू दिस वी हैव अ गुड सेंस ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. हमारे इंडिया में इन इंडिया काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बढ़ा. तो हम देखने जा रहे हैं कि यू नो दैट द इंट्रोडक्शन आपने देखा कि लिबरलाइजेशन के कारण ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में बहुत वृद्धि हुई है, बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ोतरी हुई है, और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में वृद्धि हुई है तो ऑब्वियस बात है डेवलपमेंट निश्चित है. इसी तरह से हम देखने जा रहे हैं अब सेकंड पॉइंट, ओके, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. अब इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्या है? व्हाट इज़ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर? First of all, infrastructure is the base, okay, of development of an economy. We can call it a base. Why it is called the base of development of an economy? Because without a good infrastructure, development cannot be we can say that we cannot get the development. Development is not possible without a good infrastructure. ओके, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बिना, तो इसलिए हमने इसको क्या कहा, इट इज़ कॉल्ड बेस. क्या कहते हैं, इट इज़ कॉल्ड बेस, बेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एन इकोनॉमी. व्हेन देयर इज गुड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देयर विल बी गुड डेवलपमेंट. पुअर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, पुअर डेवलपमेंट, लो डेवलपमेंट. गुड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, high development, fast rapid development. Okay, so infrastructure is very essential. It is the base of development of an economy. It is the base for development. Base for लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे. It is the base for development of an economy. If we want good development or fast development of any economy, there must be a good infrastructure. Now you know that infrastructure is divided into two parts. Infrastructure is divided into two parts. Okay, it is called basic. Okay, and it is also called structural. And another is social. First is basic or structural infrastructure and next is social infrastructure. Now infrastructure is divided into two parts. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, what it include? You know that it include small facilities. Okay, which type of facilities? Like we can say that railways, communication, we can say that electricity, banking. Okay, because these are very helpful, okay, for the development of an economy. बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है डेवलपमेंट के लिए. Now what included in social infrastructure? Social infrastructure include more development of human resource. We can say that with the help of skill and ability, with the help of skill and ability, okay, there may be fast development in science and technology. If you know that when there is need of more technology, okay, there may be more need of skill and ability. Without skill and ability, there is no possibility of development in technology. So we can say that this is called social infrastructure and this is called basic or structural infrastructure. Basic structural, why it is called basic and structural? Because it is the base. Okay, railways, communication, roadways, banking, etc. When we see that these are developed, automatically development started to take place very fast. Okay, now we are going to see. I hope these you understand. Okay, introduction में आपको समझ में आ गया है कि what we have to write down in introduction. Okay, now we are going to see that next point. This is also have done. Next, relation between transport and communication. Relation between transport and communication. Relation between transport and communication. Now you know that transport is developed with the help of communication. Without communication it is not possible for the development of transport. ठीक है, so we can say that first they are called lifeline. They are called lifeline of economy. बोथ इनको हम लाइफलाइन कहते हैं. क्यों कहते हैं? क्वेश्चन देयर में बी क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड दैट लाइफलाइन क्यों कहा जाता है इनको. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले एक एफिशिएंट एंड वेल डेवलप्ड सिस्टम of transport and communication is essential for utilization of natural resources. फर्स्ट जो है why it is necessary, it is essential for utilization of natural resources. अगर इनका जो वेल और डेवलप्ड सिस्टम है तो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का जो यूटिलाइजेशन है ये बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से हो सकता है. सेकेंड पॉइंट अगर हम लिखें, ठीक है, तो हम देखें रोड, न्यूज़पेपर्स, ओके, देन वी कैन से दैट रेडियो, टीवी, टेलीविजन, these are very essential. Okay, these are very essential for the social and economic development. If we need social and economic development, it means roads जो है या रेलवेज़ है, ठीक है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है, न्यूज़पेपर, टेलीविज़न, ये बहुत ज़्यादा इसेंशियल है. विदाउट देम इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, देन थर्ड, यूटिलाइजेशन थर्ड है बेसिस ऑफ ट्रेड एंड इंडस्ट्रीज़. इंडस्ट्रीज़ का मतलब होता है उद्योग. ट्रेड और इंडस्ट्रीज़ जो है दे आर बेस्ड ऑन द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन. if we need to increase, if we need to enhance our industry or trade, okay, we must take the help of transportation and communication. Okay, so we can say that these are very essential. Now we are going to see next point, that is fourth. और इसके अलावा हम लिख सकते हैं fourth point, actually there is the smooth movement of goods and passengers. ठीक है, विदाउट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन passengers and goods cannot be supplied from one place to another. So we can say that it is very essential and there is the relation between transport and communication. Now we are going to study about the fifth point, that is transport. What is transport? So let's see what is transport. It is a system. It is a system by which the passengers and goods can be carried from one place to another. There are different means of transport. We can write here car, bus, truck, railway. रेलवे की जगह हम ट्रेन लिख देते हैं. Then we can write here aeroplane, okay, helicopter and ships. So we can write here, it is a good system by which the passengers and goods can be carried from one place to another. Okay, you can write different means of transport. If the question can be asked that what is the means of transport, write some means. So you can write here as you know. ठीक है. Now we are going to see the next is, that is last point, importance. Okay, importance देखते हैं हम. इम्पोर्टेंस की अगर हम बात करें, ये लास्ट पॉइंट है अभी. Four points are there, 3 or 4 point. Okay, first is, okay, for the industrial development, it is very essential for industrial. It is very essential for industrial development. Okay, then second, helpful in natural calamities. As you know that when there is flood, the situation of flood, famine, okay, with the help of transport we can supply the goods, we can supply the food material, okay, to up to the victims. Okay, victims का मतलब जो नेचुरल कैलामिटी के जो victims होते हैं, पीड़ित होते हैं, उन तक हम लोग क्या पहुंचाते हैं, सामान पहुंचा सकते हैं ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की वजह से. ओके, और थर्ड जो है, हेल्पफुल इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अदर सेक्टर. अगर हम बात करें, ठीक है, प्राइमरी सेक्टर के अलावा सेकेंडरी और टर्शरी सेक्टर की, तो अगर प्राइमरी, आफ्टर द प्राइमरी सेक्टर व्हेन देयर इज इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट स्टार्टेड टू टेक प्लेस, इट मीन्स सेकेंडरी सेक्टर स्टार्टेड. ओके, विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन दे हैव बीन डेवलप्ड वेरी रैपिडली फास्ट. ओके, तो हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि अदर सेक्टर के डेवलपमेंट में ये बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहा है. ओके, और जो फोर्थ है, इट कनेक्ट रिमोट एरियाज़. रिमोट का मतलब होता है दूर. दूर के जो एरियाज़ हैं उनको कनेक्ट करने के लिए ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. तो ये जो हमने देखे, दीज आर द 6 points. I hope you understand these all are 6 point. Okay, after this we are going to see the next types of means mode of transportation. Okay, so these are the importance of transportation. I have written here for in the short form. It is essential for the industrial development. Okay, it is helpful in natural calamities. It is very helpful in development of other sector, and it connects remote areas. So I hope you understand. Thank you.